A pretty cool hotel tour!
We are on our way up to Big Bear, California, which is a really cute, cozy little mountain town. We are heading to Castlewood Cottages, which are themed cottages. I kind of don't really know what to expect, but I'm excited to check it out, and hopefully it will be a hidden gem. Let's check it out. Holy crap. I don't even know where to start. They have quite literally a castle in here. Elf-worthy dining chamber. We have a swing, murals. I'm actually really glad I did not look into this place very much because it's blowing my mind. Oh my gosh, there's a freaking moat. I'm sorry, I'm freaking out. We have axes, we have goblets, we have tapestries, bows and arrows. I feel like I'm about to start crying. We have firewood because we have a fireplace in our castle. I have run out of words. This is balls to the wall theme, and I already have a feeling we're gonna be customers for life. I'm gonna say it. Best castle room in the US? I'm convinced. I just noticed a freaking suit of armor. Whew. See you later. Here we have the Enchanted Forest. This is a whole experience here. We have a fountain, we have a tub, another fireplace, fairies, and creatures. Really, really stunning. I just met the neighbors. They were just as nice as I thought, and he invited us in. See ya. We're in the treehouse here, and it is living up to its name already. Lots of tree, lots of enchantment. We have a little upstairs area. Big wow. They definitely get my rose. All right, Haunted Manor, haunt me. Oh my gosh. Some stunning flooring, incredible furniture, a absolutely haunted painting here. Is she gonna scare me? I'm imagining at night this is quite the experience. Very cool doorways. Look at this shower. It could take me an entire day just to appreciate the details in this place. There's a secret cubby. That's spooky. Okay, something's going on. I'm definitely not allowed to play with these. Okay, I'm actually kind of freaked out. There's noises happening. Oh my gosh, oh no. See, I don't know if I want to stay here at night. It's a dream. It's a nightmare. But it's a dream.
You can have my sword. And my bow.
And my axe. Orange Justice?
No, I'm trying to throw that. Tough time?
Tub time. Huzzah!
Huzzah! I hate wine.
I'm so excited for more people to come here that are looking for this, especially in Southern California, where so many people have been like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to find stuff like that here. Holy crap, it's right here.
Imagine if you got to be the only person going through Harry Potter land and just got to stay the night there and walk around and do whatever you wanted. That's how this feels.
Yeah.
And I haven't experienced anything else that's that intricate.
Honestly, the attention to detail, even just on the grounds, are incredible. There are little, like, woodland creatures and fairy houses everywhere.
And we didn't even mention the fact that they include outfits in all of the rooms.
They give you frickin' outfits. They think of everything. They want you to have this amazing experience. Thinking back, I'm like, I think it was clean, but I also don't actually care as much as I would if it was not so detailed. So like, is it gonna be a little bit dusty if there are a million fake trees? Yeah, maybe, but I took an allergy pill.
It's places like this are the reason why we're doing what we're doing.
I keep wondering if we've run out of these places. The ones that when you walk in, you're like, oh my gosh, like this is why I'm alive. But this is one of those days. I just love how seriously they've taken this and they nailed it. Huzzah.
Huzzah. Are you having a good night?
Yes. Are you?
I am a good night.
Oh,